Mr. Dinkar, the question is the major question here is why now? Because Twitter has been there since so long. I mean, even before BJP was ruling the country, even before that, Twitter was there. And after, after when BJP came to rule the country, even then Twitter was there and everything was running smoothly. But now suddenly what has happened that, the new guidelines are, you want Twitter to adhere to new guidelines and follow these new guidelines if they want to, sustain in the country?
We are not exclusively asking the Twitter to follow the rules and regulations and the legal provisions of our country. We are not at all exclusively prepared these provisions for handling Twitter alone, not for Twitter alone. It is for all social media agencies like WhatsApp, Google, Facebook, any other Indian applications. Recently, we have seen that all these companies should be equally treated within the law of our land. They should strictly accept it. And one more thing is, Twitter was there. Yes, we all used the services of the Twitter within the provisions of our Indian laws. It was previously we are using, we will use, subject to they should strictly adhere our rule of law. They should not question. They don't have any moral right to question about our law, because security and safety of our nation is the primary prerequisite for our government. As per the internal security and external security, as per the requirements, those rules and regulations will be prepared, and it should be strictly implemented, and that those should be followed by the respective companies. They need to follow those legal provisions. In accordance with those provisions only, they should make their operations within our territory. And one more thing is, BJP and all other political parties have been using Twitter services for forwarding their messages to the various people across the globe. Here, the point is, we are not against to share the information by any user, but those content which are against to our national interest, most particularly those content which are questionable for our sovereignty, definitely such information, source of information, should be provided by the social media, the platform, whatever it is, whether it is Twitter or Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever the platform it is, the company should have to provide such information which required by the union government for the safety and security and integrity of our nation. It is very much required. We know that there are various sources of information are generating against to our country, and many other countries also happening similar kind of things to speak venom against our national interest. To curb such kind of evils, these kind of strict laws pertaining to the sovereignty of our country, safety and security of the country, those provisions are very much required. Those have been introduced. Union government is not asking the information pertaining to the general user of the Twitter or Facebook. Wherever we feel that the threat and sedition against to our country appears, definitely source of information should be provided, as the Twitter or Facebook is acting as a postman job on behalf of the user and the ID holder of the respective social media platforms.